some people want to know how to move to change the ELESMART type. Today, we make the video. Okay. Yeah, firstly, we need to remove the two sides of the screw. Yeah, we need to a little power because the screw is the glue. It is 19 for this screw, 19. Yes.
这个粉末是胶，打的胶就是。三个。
3. Oh. Two sides is the same.
一个。
Yeah. Need to unplug the motor. Yes. It is take off the wheel. When you change your tire, you need to make the air empty. Yeah, use a draw. You can feel no air inside. Yeah, with you can find something to help to move the tire out. Yeah, take off. So change a new one. Yeah, I need to be careful with the cable. Yeah, wait a moment. Just when we just inside a little air and makes this safety light is looks good. Okay, continue.
Yeah, 两边都要看。
Yeah, two sides need to careful. And you will find the L is 250 kPa. Or yeah, 35 the PSI. Okay, maybe it's full. Yeah, okay. Okay.
然后就装上去了，装上去可以怎么装？
Yeah. The wash it is same to when you moved. Okay. Yeah. Also, you can move the battery during you change your tire. It is exactly during you moved, so you need to remember the each wash. This screw is M3. Yeah, because the screw with the glue, so you need to be more power, a little more power to make sure this screw is tight. Yeah, it should be very tight, so more safety. And it has a swirl, so you need to be careful. And during you connect the cable, you need to more careful. Make sure it is not moved during it work. You can with the Z type. It is easy to find. Yeah. So 试一下轮子转动。When you finish, you can need to move by the hand. Moved by the hand, and to make sure the disc is not has no noise, so it is finished. Okay.